Welcome to Creative Continents, where your imagination shapes the world. Today, we're embarking on a journey to show you how to host your very own continent. Whether you're creating a server for friends or starting a solo adventure, before we dive into hosting, let's quickly explore how to join a friend's continent. From the main menu, simply click on Visit Continent. This is your portal to the myriad worlds crafted by fellow creators, where adventures await. But today our focus is on your continent. So, let's proceed to host a continent. Upon selecting this option, you're presented with a choice: share your world with the broader community on Steam or keep it private for a more personal experience. Here we brought to the world loader screen of Creative Continents. Here, you'll find a list of continents you're subscribed to on the Steam Workshop. If you're looking to dive into your own creation, simply select Load Local Continent. This option brings you into the world you've personally crafted in Terraform mode. Hit the Escape key to access the in-game menu, where you can tweak settings, save or load your creations. It's your quick gateway to manage your game and builds in Creative Continents. Welcome to Castle Rat in the legendary continent of Water Rat Cove. Everything you see here was built in-game, starting from the original island. Water Rat Cove is available on the workshop, so you can explore it right now. We're dedicated to enhancing your experience, ensuring you can share your builds on the workshop and load them anywhere you wish. Press the Tab key to access your inventory, where you'll find the Personal Crafting tab. This feature enables you to create basic items to get started. Let's begin by building a workbench. Now, let's interact with the bench. By accessing the Crafting tab here, you'll discover a plethora of items you can create and use within the world of Creative Continents. Next up, let's equip a building plan and an upgrade hammer to our quick slots. Now, simply right-click and hold, and the build menu will appear. From here, select the part you wish to use, and you can start building immediately. With the upgrade hammer in hand, you can switch the build parts through the 3 available tiers. It's important to note that this area is currently under heavy development. We're working hard to expand your building options. The upgrade hammer isn't just for switching tiers, it also allows you to demolish buildings. However, we'd like to suggest some alternative methods for destruction, offering a bit more excitement. And if you're in a pinch, don't hesitate to bring out the C4 and make quick work of any structure.
Crunch, what are you doing in here,
Sorry,
man?
Lucien. This is a closed set.
What do you mean closed set? You can't close the set.
There, all better now. Let's move on to the continent control menu. Hit C on your keyboard to bring it up. From the abilities panel you will be able to select options like fly and invisibility. The teleport menu will allow to control all things teleporting, including saving locations. Eventually, the server settings tab will offer many customized options for your continent. But for now you can broadcast a message from here to everyone on the continent. The spawner tab is your portal to a vast and ever-evolving universe of play modes and items being meticulously crafted for Creative Continents. Here, you'll discover an array of ways to engage with the game, each offering unique experiences and challenges. Feel free to explore this treasure trove. Select whatever piques your interest and see how it integrates into your world.
Crunch, what are you doing, man?
Hey Lucien, I am a sailor. I can sail!
Finish the tutorial, Crunch.
In Creative Continents, we embrace the forefront of technology, integrating it into various aspects of the game, each at different stages of development. Our farming system, a recent addition, is a testament to this approach. Soon, it will enable you to cultivate your food directly within your worlds, adding a layer of sustainability and strategy to your gameplay. Curious to start experimenting? Head over to the crafting bench, where you'll find some of the preliminary items related to farming. It's all part of our commitment to expanding the game's universe, making each continent not just a place to explore, but a dynamic environment to interact with and influence. As we wrap up this journey through creative continents, we extend a heartfelt invitation to you: step into this boundless world and start building your own realms. With every tool at your disposal and endless possibilities at your fingertips, the only limit is your imagination. Whether it's constructing towering castles, cultivating lush gardens, or scripting new adventures, your creations await to be brought to life. Join our community of builders, dreamers, and adventurers. Creative Continents is not just a game, it's a canvas for your imagination. We can't wait to see the worlds you'll create. See you in the game.